On this day, a legendary movie premiered, an engineering marvel opened to the world, and astronauts pushed deeper into space. May 24th changed history forever. Some dates are remembered because they represent imagination, innovation, and human ambition. May 24th is one of those unforgettable days. In 1883, the famous Brooklyn Bridge officially opened to the public. At the time, it was one of the longest suspension bridges ever built. The bridge connected Manhattan and Brooklyn, transforming transportation and engineering forever. People traveled across it in amazement, seeing it as a symbol of modern progress and innovation. Today, the bridge remains one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. In 1977, Star Wars premiered in theaters. The movie introduced audiences to lightsabers, space battles, and unforgettable characters. What began as a science fiction film quickly became a global cultural phenomenon. The franchise transformed modern entertainment forever. In 1962, astronaut Scott Carpenter orbited Earth aboard the Aurora 7 mission. The flight became another key achievement in America's early space program. Each successful mission brought humanity closer to reaching the moon. In 1941, the British battlecruiser HMS Hood was sunk during World War II. The ship had been one of Britain's most famous naval vessels. Its destruction shocked the United Kingdom and became one of the most dramatic naval moments of the war. From engineering marvels to legendary films, to space exploration and wartime history, May 24th reminds us that history is built by imagination, courage, and innovation. Subscribe for more daily history.